Okay, let us define Hos Cogens. Hos Cogens is a part of customary international law which has the status of a peremptory norm of international law. What is peremptory norm of international law? Peremptory norm is a norm accepted and recognized by the international community of the states as a rule from which no derogation is permitted and which can be modified only by a subsequent norm having the same character. Another sources of international law is the General Principles International Law. Now, general principles are actually rules that are derived mainly from the natural law, observed and recognized by civilized nations. For example, the principle of res judicata, prescription, pacta sunt servanda, and estopel. Now, what is the purpose of these general principles? The purpose of this is to combat the problem of non-decay or the absence of any source of law or obligation to point to in order to resolve the conflict. No, this is actually used if the treaties or the customs are silent in the dispute at hand. Judicial decisions. Article 38 of the statute directs the court to apply judicial decisions as subsidiary means for the determination of the rules of law. But this is made subject to Article 59, which says that the decisions of the court have no binding force except between the parties and in respect of their particular case. Hence, such decisions do not constitute stare decisis. However, the decisions of the International Court of Justice are not only regarded as highly persuasive in international law circles, they have also contributed to the formulation of principles that have become part of international law.
Created using Powtoon.